Samsung has officially dropped the teaser for the Galaxy S25 Ultra's Unpacked event, and there's a lot to be excited about. Here's everything you need to know. The teaser includes 2 clips highlighting Galaxy AI, promoted as your true AI companion. Save the date, January 22nd is the big day. Let's dive in.
Hey, when is the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked? Can you put it on my calendar?
Watching today. Something that makes us laugh, makes us cry, shows us new worlds, teaches us new things? Or is it something that we've never watched before? Now TV gets to know you, who you are, what you love, so you can explore so much more. Understand things in new ways. Let your imagination go wild. Made just for you, and you, and you. This isn't just a new television, it's a whole new vision. Because the TV of tomorrow isn't about what's on. It's about who's watching.
Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.